Hello children, this is Mumtaz madam. I came again with the third video of the chapter 2 Old Man at the Bridge, Standard 9 Prose. He looked at me very blankly and tiredly, then said, having to share his worry with someone. So the old man was looking very blankly and tiredly, and he wants to share his worries with someone. So he continues his conversation without asking. He says that the cat will be all right, I am sure. There is no need to be unquiet about the cat. But the others, now what do you think about the others? So he's very much worried about his animals. Keep on telling about cat, he will be all right, but what about the others? So he asked why. Narrator asked why they all probably come or they why they will probably come through it all right. You think so? The old man asked. Why not? I said, watching the far bank where now there were no cars. So there were almost no carts there, and all the people of that side have crossed the bridge. But what will they do under the artillery when I was told to leave the because of the artillery? See, he was so much worried about his animals that when I was told to leave that place because of artillery, how my animals would survive under artillery? He is very much concerned about his animals. Did you leave the dove cage unlocked? I asked. Narrator asked. He is saying that the dove cage, that is a pigeon's cage. He was asking, have you opened it? Yes. Then they will fly. Yes, certainly they will fly. But the others? Who left? The goats left. Two goats left. So he is talking about the others. But the others means the two goats. It is better not to think about the others. So he himself says that he is not think about the others. Why he says? Because these are goats, and goats are a symbol of sacrificial animal. This thing I will talk to you later in this video. If you are rested, I would go. I urge, get up and try to walk. So if you have taken rest, then you can go and get up and try to walk. Thank you, he said, and got to his feet, swayed from side to side, and then sat down backwards in the dust. He tried. He was 76-year-old and he had covered 12 kilometers. So that is why his condition was not up to that much that he could even walk also. When he tried to get up, he swayed from side to side. Okay, again sat down. He could not move forward. He sat down. I was taking care of animals, he said dully, but no longer to me. I was only taking care of animals. So again the same sentence he is repeating because he has a great concern about his animals and their lives. There was nothing to do about him. Narrator is telling nothing could be done nothing could be done about him. It was Easter Sunday and the fascists were advancing toward the Ebro. See, Easter Sunday, here it is an ironical, it is used as an irony. Easter Sunday is the day on which Jesus Christ rebirth. He has come to life again. Okay, so this is irony, and here Jesus Christ has rose from the dead. But on the same day, the old man's life is in danger. Easter Sunday, when Jesus Christ has taken rebirth. On the other side, on the same day, the old man's life is in danger. And the fascists, that is the enemies, they were advancing toward the Ebro. It was a grey overcast day with a low ceiling, so their planes were not up. So the sky was overcast with grey. Grey is also the symbol of negativity. So because of this, sky was overcast, cloudy, and therefore these planes were not flying, and they were not flying. Second thing, that and the fact that cats know how to look after themselves was all the good luck that old man would ever have. That means this line tells that the old man have no good luck, he would not survive. He here 2 points that can comfort the old man is that one is the plane could not fly because of the sky is overcast, and second thing that cats can survive, they are independent animals, they can look after themselves. So these 2 points comfort the old man, and there is no chance of his survival. He has no good luck other than these 2 points. One is that is the plane could not fly, another is the cat can survive, but his chance of survival is not there at all. So certain symbols are also used here in the story, like bridge. Bridge, there is a brief point about the bridge in your workbook. You will read, you will understand it. It's very easy, so you can read and understand. Another is here in the story. First, the narrator has mentioned about the pigeon, 4 pairs of pigeon. Pigeons are what? They are here they symbolize as refugees during the war. People can't, they move from here to there like that. It is they leave their home house and they move here and there, so they are just like refugee and take shelter somewhere else. So therefore these pigeons mentioned first, they act as the refugee, it symbolizes as the refugee. Now second, when he mentioned, the narrator mentioned about the same pigeon as dove. Dove, we know that they are the symbol of peace and harmony. After the war, peace and harmony maintains. So they are hopeful that after the war, the peace will and harmony will come back, will maintain. And cat, it is a symbol of an independent animal who can look after its own life, can look after himself. And finally the goats. Goats were there. They are regarded as the sacrificial animal, and it is just like the old man. Goats are just like the old man. The old man who was helpless, who has to sacrifice his life. He has no good luck. He could not survive anymore. So goat is and the old man, they symbolizes both as a sacrificial being. So these symbols and the other things from the workbook, titles, appropriateness, themes, style of writing, everything you will get it from the workbook. You have to revise it, understand it, and the overall message of the story is that the common people are the innocent victims of the war. So here I end up with the third videos of the same chapter, and your work is, you have to, I hope the first chapter exercises extracts you have completed, and so also you will do the second chapter extracts. All the extracts you have to write the answers in your own words. Thank you.